Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this blue baby blanket. This blanket is made with a double knit yarn and 4.5mm crochet hook. Check description box for more details. If you prefer the written version of the pattern, visit my Etsy store Anna the Crochet, link in description box. The blanket size is 30 inches, but you can make it in any size you like. For different size, chain any multiplies of 3. For example, chain 141 makes 47 multiplies of 3. In the original pattern I chained 111, but for this tutorial I'm just going to make a practice swatch that is 18. So 18 is 6 multiplies of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 17 and 18. And now we start row number 1. Make 1 double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So here's the third chain from the hook and make there 2 double crochet into the same chain. So this is your first double crochet. Now make second double crochet into the same stitch. Now we will skip 2 chains and we will make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next chain. So 1 single crochet. Now make 2 double crochet into the same chain. 2 double crochet into the same chain. So this is your first double crochet, second double crochet. So we have single crochet and 2 double crochet into the one chain, and now skip next 2 chains and make single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next chain. So single crochet and 2 double crochet into the same chain, and continue working this manner until end of the row. So skip 2, make single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next chain. Skip 2 chains, make single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next chain, and so on and so on. When you reach to the last chain, make just single crochet into the last chain. So do not make 2 double crochet, just make 1 single crochet in the last chain. Now chain 2 and turn your work. So this is your row number 1, and now we will start row number 2. To start row number 2, make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. So here is the very first stitch, and make 2 double crochet into the first stitch. 2 double crochet into the first stitch. So this is first double crochet, second double crochet. And now skip next 2 stitches and make single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. And now skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and continue working this manner until end of the row. And again, make just one single crochet into the last stitch. So this stitch is easy to skip because it's not visible. So just single crochet into the last stitch, then chain 2 and turn your work. So this is your second row. Now let's start row number 3 in exactly same way like you did row number 2. So make 2 double crochet into the very first stitch. Now skip 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. And continue working in this manner at the end of the row. And again make just 1 single crochet until into the last stitch, then chain 2 and turn your work. Repeat that row number 2 as many times as you need your blanket to be long. As you can see, the blanket is good looking from both sides. Now let's start to make a border. So do not cut your yarn, just chain 1. And make 1 single crochet into each stitch. 1 single crochet into each stitch. On the corners, make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Now on the sides, make 1 single crochet into the next stitch sides and 2 single crochet into the next stitch sides. So 1 single crochet per 1 row, then 2 single crochet per 1 row. 1 single crochet in next row, 2 single crochet in next row. And at the end, just slip stitch to the first stitch you made and chain 1. Round number 2, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into each stitch. Make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet into each corners. And at the end of the round, just slip stitch to the first stitch. Round number 3 will change color, so cut off the blue yarn and make a knot with the white yarn. Insert your hook into the stitch. Now insert the knot onto your hook and pull through the stitch. Chain 1. And we can start round number 3. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch. And now into the corners, make 3 single crochet into the same stitch. 3 single crochet into the same stitch in the corners. Continue all around. And at the end of the round number 3, just slip stitch to the first stitch. Slip stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. So this time we need to turn our work. And round number 4, make just 1 single crochet into each stitch. And make 3 single crochet into the corner, into the same stitch. 3 single crochet into the same stitch into the corners. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch all around. Slip stitch to the first stitch at the end. Slip stitch into the last stitch. And cut your yarn. And change your yarn for the blue again. So insert your hook into the stitch, pull through the blue yarn and chain 1. Now make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And now chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And now make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And again chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And again 1 single crochet into next stitch, chain 3. And continue working in this manner all around. Into the corners, make single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the same stitch. And so that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.